Sammy the Snail lived in a small garden, a world of towering grass blades and vast flower petals. His days were slow, measured by the progress of his glistening trail. One day, Sammy decided to embark on a grand journey, to reach the old oak tree at the far end of the garden. His friends chuckled. It was a daunting distance for a snail. Undeterred, Sammy set off, his tiny muscles straining with each deliberate movement. The journey was filled with challenges. He had to navigate around prickly thorns, cross a rushing stream, a mere trickle to humans, but a raging river to Sammy, and endure the scorching midday sun. He met other creatures along the way, a wise old beetle who offered encouragement, a grumpy ladybug who grumbled about his slow pace, and a family of busy ants who barely noticed him. There were moments of despair when Sammy felt like giving up. The distance seemed endless, the sun relentless. But he remembered his goal, the majestic oak tree, and pressed on. He used his slime trail to climb steep blades of grass, and he took shelter under large leaves during the hottest parts of the day. The journey tested his resilience, his determination, and his patience. Finally, after what seemed like an eternity, Sammy reached the oak tree. He was exhausted, but triumphant. He had accomplished what many said was impossible for a snail. He rested beneath the shade of the ancient tree, its strong branches a comforting presence. From his vantage point, he could see the whole garden, a miniature world he had conquered with his slow, steady pace. The journey back was much easier, filled with a newfound confidence. Sammy wasn't just a snail who had reached an oak tree. He was Sammy, the snail who had proven that slow and steady wins the race. He returned to his friends, a hero in his own eyes, his tale a testament to the power of perseverance.